Okay, so I was going through the thrift shop, Your Honor. When I got to that turn right there, the first car, he waved me through.
Yes.
The second car
Yep.
stopped, he waved me through too, so I went through. Bam! Him.
Yeah.
I
That was
had
a
these.
big bang.
I had
Yeah.
these glasses on, Your Honor. When I went, bam! This is this. The glass fell
yeah, and
off.
it's a-
Everything.
oh,
Yeah, I
yeah.
spin around. My car spin around like I was like, really?
Oh, man.
I was sitting in the car like,
Let's look at the animal.
Plaintiff William Farnese claims the defendant's carelessness caused a colossal car crash. He's suing for $5,000 for car damages. Defendant Joan Shirley says that if the plaintiff wasn't speeding, they wouldn't be in court today.
Please raise your right
She
hand.
says she owes nothing.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
I do.
Thank you. The Honorable Judge Jerry Springer now presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Najee.
This is case number 051 on the docket, Farnese versus Shirley.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Judge.
And welcome to both of you. We have the plaintiff, William Farnese, and you are suing the defendant, Joan Shirley, for $5,000 for car damage.
Yes, sir.
All right, William, what is your complaint?
I was on my way back from lunch off work, and I was headed down North 111, and she was headed south on 111, and she made a turn, and there was a gentleman that had stopped and motioned her to go ahead, and she didn't notice that there was two other lanes of traffic. And I proceeded up to where she was turning, and she hit me, which caused us to go over to the right lane.
So when you were driving, you were in the middle lane.
I was in the
You're
middle
saying.
lane, yes, sir.
According to you, when she made her turn, she hit your car, which then pushed it into the next lane.
Into the third lane, yes, sir.
We have animation of exactly what you're talking about. So why don't we take a look at that now? So William, you are in the white car, right?
Yes, sir.
Joan, you're in the black car.
yes, I am.
Okay, here comes the white car. The white car's in the middle lane. And here comes the defendant in the black car. You're going to turn in, looks like going to a shopping center. And you turn and oop, and there we go. Okay, that's pretty clear. Let me go to you, Joan. What happened here?
Okay, so I was going through the thrift shop, Your Honor. When I got to that turn right there, the first car, he waved me through.
Yes?
The second car
Yep.
stopped, he waved me through too, so I went through. Bam! Him.
Yeah.
I
That was
had
a
these.
big bang.
I had
Yeah.
these glasses on, Your Honor. When I went, bam! This is this. The glass fell
yeah, and
off.
it's a-
Everything.
oh,
Yeah, I
yeah.
spin around. My car spin around like I was like, really?
Oh, man.
I was sitting in the car like,
Let's look at the animation of the defendant. And you, again, are in the black car.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, in this animation, Bill is in the far lane already, I think.
Yes.
Lane, Your
And there goes, oh! So the difference in your interpretations both is you're saying he was already in the third lane. Bill saying you pushed him into the third lane.
Your Honor, he was already in the third lane.
In terms of the decision, that may not make a difference whether he was in the second or the third lane. The issue really has to do with you crossing over and your two cars colliding. Nothing changes based on what lane he was in. It's who had the right of way going. Okay, now Bill, what happened after the cars hit?
Somebody called 911, and the police arrived on scene. Mrs. Shirley proceeded to get out of her car a little bit abruptly, saying that I was speeding and that it was my fault and carrying on. And then
It
the
is your fault.
police notified her that it was absolutely her fault and that there was no way for me to be speeding from the point where I turned around to where she was at. And to make a correction, I was in the second lane, Your Honor.
Your
not the
Honor, I got
third.
video evidence of that. That's a lie. He was speeding because
Well, do you have a video of him speeding?
not of him speeding, but the speed limit is 45.
Right, okay, well that's,
My car is the evidence, Your Honor. If you take a look at my car, I have a video of my car at the accident
yeah,
scene.
I'll take a look.
That is my car, Your Honor. He hit my car so bad. My car spun around. I mean, I went forward like this, Your Honor. My car went like, my car was spinning around. Speed limit is 45.
Yes?
There's no way he was going 45 when he hit me. He was flying. He was flying up this road right here. He was flying up there. When he get up there, that's where he hit me.
Now, even at 45 miles an hour, if you hit a car that is basically just turning, it's going to be substantial damage. Joan, do you have insurance?
That's the thing, Your Honor. I have a friend of
Yeah.
mine that uses my car 4 times a month. She uses my car. So I pay my car payment. She pays the insurance. So I thought everything is fine because I even give him the information, my insurance information and everything. I give the police. I was all, yeah, I got insurance. I'm good. I'm good. Then I find out when I contact my insurance company, they say, oh, no, it wasn't paid for a month and a half.
She
I'm
didn't
like,
make the payments.
what?
Yeah.
Because I was like, okay,
Okay.
you know what? The insurance will cover it, no problem. And I found out we didn't have insurance. I didn't have insurance. I was really mad.
Yeah.
And then months and months and months and months and months later, he contacted me saying that you need to pay for my car because, I was without my car and, you need to pay for my car. So, I know, yeah, we had the accident. He said, maybe we can set up a payment arrangement or something. So I was like, let me know what the damage is. What's your insurance? I got insurance number, so I called the insurance company. And they said, well, we already paid him over $3,000 already for the car, so I don't know what you're talking about. I said, well, he said he was without his car. He didn't have, didn't get his car fixed or nothing. So I tried calling him back. He never answered the phone, so I left a message letting him know that, you know what? I talked to the insurance company. Let me know what the balance is to fix your car. Ghost. I didn't hear nothing from him. The next thing I know, I'm being sued.
William, do you have insurance?
I do, sir.
Did the insurance company pay anything?
The insurance company paid $3,500 to the lien holder of the car. I didn't receive a dime.
So you had payment, before the accident, you had payments still to make on the car.
Right.
And the insurance company paid off those payments, so you don't owe anything on the car anymore.
Well, they paid $3,500, which was my uninsured motorist, sir.
But you didn't get any money in terms of fixing the car, paying damages for the car.
No, sir.
So
Your Honor, I
your
got evidence that his car is not, what he sued me for, I have evidence here. I went on Kelly Blue Book, Red Book, whatever book, and I checked it out. His car is like from $500 to $1,000.
To now fix the car, if it wasn't worth that amount of money, then why would you be suing for that?
I have the thing from my insurance company, Exhibit C.
Okay, let me take a look at Exhibit C. The base value is $6,700 pre-loss deduction. Agreed value of the vehicle, they put at $6,439.
For a
And then they had
2005
some-
Nissan? I don't think so.
I mean, here's some evidence of what this particular car was worth.
His car is not
and
even
this-
worth that, Your Honor. It's right here. The Kelly Blue Book, I got it on there. His
Yeah.
car is not worth that. He's just trying to get money from me, Your Honor, and he's not going to get that from me.
Okay, the Blue Book value of the 2005 Nissan Maxima Limited Edition is between $2,076 and $3,807. That's what the car was worth if it hadn't been in an accident. Now, I want to get to the issue of who's at fault here. The law is pretty clear. William has the right of way. Put the speed question aside. We don't have proof of how fast he was going anyway. When you cross lanes, it is up to the driver crossing the lanes not to take the advice of some other driver saying, oh, it's clear, go ahead. But you have to be clear with your own vision that there's no car coming at whatever speed. And if there is an accident while you're crossing that lane, you're going to be responsible. That's what the law is. The one crossing the lane does not have the right of way.
So why did he wait a year, over a year or something? He's just after
It's-
money.
Well, whatever the motive is, he's within the statute of limitations, so he has a right to do that. I rule in his favor, but put the amount not at $5,000, but what the Blue Book says at $3,911. So verdict for the plaintiff in the amount of $3,911.
You shouldn't even get that. No.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm pretty happy with the outcome that Judge Jerry decided. She was clearly at fault.
I don't think he should have won anything, okay? Because my car got totaled. I had to get a new car, and he's suing me? I don't think so. He shouldn't have get nothing.